Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Log In. In this episode, we're gonna look at how you can log in to your Sofi wallet account. Sofi wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies, from where you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, etc. Now to log into your account, you will firstly need to open up a web browser. Then in the search bar type in sofi.com. Now you will able to see a website which has opened, which is official website of Sofi. From here you need to click on login. Now type in your email address that you used while creating your account. After that's done, type in your password. Make sure your password is correct, but if you don't remember your password to your account, you can click on forgot password and then a verification link will be sent to your email address. From there you will be able to create a new password and reset your password. After you enter this information, go ahead and click on login, and just like that you will be logged into your Sofi account. So those were the few easy steps to log into your Sofi account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.